Look at the work. He's to eat all the plenty food inside. Ow! I will carry this to next time. Walk fast. I don't even my head. Please now. Please now. Hey. Yes. Hey, Papa. Now. Hey, wait up. Carry this thing now. Don't pour me this water. What's the meaning of this? Who did this? What are we going to do now? Let's take him back. Take it. Take him.
My husband is welcome. Welcome. I sent for you people because I go to anyone. They are weak. Came back. Myself and my children came back from the road. Saw my husband dumped here.
Who dumped him here? Who brought him out here? Who? Could I know?
We don't know.
Could I do something back?
We came back and we saw him.
That follow my.
Mercy. Mercy. Mercy.
Who brought Nani out here?
Oh, Nani didn't. It's me. Yes.
Why did you bring him out here when you knew that Rebecca and her children were not around? Why?
Oh, Chimo. Rebecca found Maria. I didn't know. I thought they were inside. You know, since Nani came back from the hospital, they always lock themselves inside. Rebecca, if you need Buchilini, who you me? Shut up.
Immediately. He should be taken back to his room immediately.
Now!
But not at all. He has always been lying outside in front of my own house. And this is also part of his house.
Part of his house. They don't listen to me. All of you. Take him back to his room immediately. Osibo.
Thank you. Officer. I can only take him back
No condition whatsoever. Now, take him back to that place. You must do what we have asked you to do.
I just felt that Rebecca and Onwe, I should also take care of their father and our husband. Eh?
Now, get on to. Mama, you have just 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Cha.
to take him back to his room immediately.
Thanks, sir.
If you don't do that,
Thank
you have the whole of our kinsmen to contend with.
Yes.
So, Nechunu.
There.
Thank you.
10 minutes.
Please don't be angry. Oh, but I cannot carry him alone. Nani, go carry Rebecca. She's covering her nose. Nani, in a bush yard. Yes, you want to look in so. But the wrong fellow, Nani, because I didn't carry him alone. I have to go to Oyago to go and bring work out Wobi that helped us to bring him here.
No,
be fast about it.
Okay, Nani,
If all kids you go to read that. Also,
Nani, come for channel or energy.
hey.
thank you.
Okay. Why? How did Boniface get
10 minutes. Oh, dear one. It's a lot of time.
Mana, even you people. Ife funu nyame. Makana keji nwewu maatu. Ase hagu bulunne. Eh? Whatever happened, you shouldn't have brought him out. You shouldn't have brought him outside.
Thank you, Nine.
Shut up.
Get it.
It wasn't my intention, and I am truly sorry about that. Why am I?
Man, one young kitty. Man, one kitty. You're just a heartless woman. What you did to her husband has proven that you don't even care about her husband's life.
Shut up. Don't even go there. Because I care about him more than the woman.
Yeah.
Eh? Nani, I love my husband. I have been taking care of him ever since he came back from the hospital.
Before.
I carry his feces, I carry his urine. But this woman has not bothered.
Before. Yes. Because you're his lovely wife. Eh? You're the one he loves so much. So why are you complaining?
Jealousy.
No wonder.
Nani, people. With all due respect. So fi feka na yono keta. And that is to share how we will take care of our husband. Our husband on our pneumonia. Now abunuku mami. So she needs to be part of it.
Yeah. Mama Dodi.
Nine.
Is it true that you have not touched Boniface since he returned from the hospital?
Nine. Thank you very much for this question. If my husband was living with me in my own apartment, I would have been taking care of him without complaining. Why are you telling them to come and intervene? Did they share the love?
Nine. Maybe if Boniface had been in her apartment, she would have been able to take care of him alone. Manono Fumua, I need help. I cannot do it alone anymore.
How can you be part of What about your daughter? Is your daughter not there?
My daughters. My daughter has been doing it. In my daughters.
No. It's okay.
Shut up.
It's all right.
Carry your clothes.
Hold on.
Don't point at me.
Listen.
Let's go. Are you okay?
Nani.
Two of you. What we are saying, what we have decided is that thing should be done weekly by each person. Now,
when he was showing her all the love, we did not show it. So let her carry her cross.
Jealousy.
He was not here. Come and share the love.
Listen. If you like, accept it. If you like, refuse it. But we have said it, and that is final.
Yes,
this is
final.
our decision.
It is final.
Oh.
Final.
Let them feel. No.
Look at the water. Let's stop them. Hello, Maria.
Lawyer, welcome. Thank you, madam. How is your husband?
He is getting better. How far are you?
Yes, I'm done, but he needs to sign it.
It's a very small thing. I will make sure he signs it this evening. Then I'll give it back to you so that everything will be fine.
So make sure you sign it.
Yes.
I will want you.
Okay. Thank you. Nine. William, get up. Come inside. Hey. Hello, you too. Sign you. When he make it sign a big nine. Lawrence, hurry up, please, be fast. What did you do? What do you mean, what did you do? He was alive when I left both of you here.
coming.
Papa, it's me. Answer me, Papa. I'm coming home again.
You should ask her now. She was the one that called me in.
Are you people okay? Mama, what? Shut up! Eleke, what?
Papa! The singing for Lawrence is coming. He's coming. Papa is in there. Hey! Well, she was with him. Then she called me. The next thing I entered. Now you're here.
What are you insinuating?
Bonnie?
Give me that doctor.
What is it?
What is it?
Hi!
I want to stroke also. Oh, give me no.
No, Papa, you can't die on me, Papa.
Hey!
Papa! Hey, no, Papa, do it! Mama, what do you have to hold? Stop that! What is wrong with you? Can't you listen?
It only shed tears. It's okay.
My father.
Hey.
My father.
It's okay.
Mommy, good day.
What is it?
I came to discuss something with you.
Something like what?
Biko, can you tell them, or can somebody tell me more chess?
Say whatever you have come to say and get out.
So what do you? Because it's about the money realized at the burial.
Which money?
The money that was realized now, the one that the elders gave you to keep.
Maria, is that what you have come to tell me?
Of course now, it's a very important issue.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. So you can get out, please.
I should get out of your house.
Maria, I hate to repeat myself. Just get out of my house.
So what? I invited you elders for this meeting today because I want to complain to you that I went to Mami to ask her for the money that was realized on the day of her husband's burial. She chased me out of her house with a mug. Yes, a machete knife.
Mama baby, what do you have to say?
No. This is a day after her husband's burial. I don't think this is the right time to talk about this.
Ase. If I na-akpọ agadaga ase ka ị na-asị. Mgbamgbọ ase ka ị na-asị. It's a lie, yo. We must discuss it.
This is not the right time to shout or argue about anything. Let us talk about this matter, settle it amicably. On.
Adobe. Now you look here. I remember gave you this morning question.
No, Loris, I just said something now. Eh? I am not in the mood to talk about this thing. I am very grieved. I don't want to talk about this. I am not in the mood at all.
I've always respected you people. But this time around, because why I don't know, I will now take action myself. Let me deal with this woman. Deal this here with her. Oh, no, don't get involved. I know how to get the money out of this woman. Yes, I'll get the money off this woman.
Now, listen. Like I said, we are going to settle this matter amicably.
Uncle Kwamao.
If you are menudo, na kama.
Yes, you.
Mama do.
No.
Today be going to police. Now, I'm going to if I'm going to call no way can as of labor.
Please, can we talk about this next time?
Hi. I forget.
Where is the money in question? You will not tell us to talk about it next time. Where is this money? Please go and get the money. They will take her, oh? For peace sake.
Just keep it quiet because of this plan. If not,
Stop, please.
Come on, is wrong. Listen, Boniface just died.
I know.
Won't you people let us have peace in this family?
But are we not going to survive? I got that.
Let us not make noise about it.
When you fill up, go now. Oganya medano obodo ụmụ anụ. Nwanyị anụ ọgbara achọ.
Don't worry.
Anyị na-afọ eche ya ka ọ weta m ka ifu. Nna anyị ụnụ amụrụ nwaanyị ahụ. Ụnụ amụrụ nwaanyị ahụ. Nwaanyị sitere ụmụ efe bịa machikọrọ ya.
It's okay, she's here. Tell her. How much do you have?
You don't count it. No, I better count one.
How much do you have?
14,520 naira.
Huh?
18,520 naira. Nani unafuna nani ni bido okwanyi. Unafuna ni no nyori no no. Nani? Hello, guys.
Tell you no. No, tell you. Tell you no.
Biko, I beg you, just leave me alone.
No.
Nobody will rest in this house until Rebecca brings out that money. No. Nani, leave me alone, no.
Barely one day after the burial.
Nani, I don't care. Let people see me. Let them hear me. There will be no rest in this compound until that money comes out.
Maria, you will be the one to do.
Hey!
Rebecca! How many times did I call you Rebecca?
It's okay.
Now listen. Rebecca, if we leave this compound without this matter being settled amicably, I swear to the gods of this land, you have the whole of our kinsmen to contend.
Oh yes.
Nani.
You face the whole of our kinsmen.
Nani, because if I can't go for kingsmen, if I Maria and Rebecca's war, Nani, because
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't understand what you're talking about. Because I have given you everything you gave me.
So what do you
Has it
I will kill you.
I am tired of this family. Look, if anybody should invite me again as regards to this, to come and put Martin to the matter of this family, I will disappoint that person. Machiku, I will disappoint the person.
Listen, Lawrence.
Always here, man. Okay,
what you are saying is just the truth. So the same thing is happening to me. Very, very soon, I will back out on them.
Man, if you go, one be say, that woman is vicious, very wicked. She is evil. She is epitome of wickedness. If bunaga wickedness, or that one,
Listen. Both of them are the same thing. If one worker has the same opportunity this one has, she will even perform more than her. Yes.
Women are not supposed to be created in this world.
No, you don't question God. Only God knows why He created them. So let us leave it the way it is.
That family,
that's not
I called you people. Yes, all is well. This man here is a lawyer. He has come to read out our husband's will to us.
Our husband's will?
Yes.
Written by who?
Your father.
Our husband wrote a will before he died.
What kind of stupid question is that?
Osnogini.
The will was written and signed by our father.
Asiocha! Asipon one. My father did not write any will. Oh yes! Is that why you want to put our attention? You have a devil. I used to be your man. You are
Keep quiet. Shut up. Please. Let us all respect ourselves. Lawyer, proceed.
This is my will. I, Mr. Ezioko Boniface.
Ozioko
Boniface will, written on 29 March 2017. This is the comprehensive list of the copy and how it will be shared. Number 1, my main building goes to my first wife, Miss Ozoko Rebecca. While the second building goes to my second wife, Ozoko Maria. The cash crops that surround my house, the palm trees are 7 in numbers. 4 goes to my first wife, Mrs. Ozoko Rebecca, while the remaining 3 goes to my second wife, Mrs. Ozoko Maria. 3. The land at Okwe goes to my first daughter.
There's nothing like what you just did. This thing never existed. Yes. Listen. Listen, what? Very good. Very good. Very good. Jesus.
Jesus! Maria! We know our husband.
Your husband is not our husband. Because of Chapo.
I have another couple. Let the mad woman.
Useless you. Leave our house. Allah. Easy. You want another copy. My original will not be 1 copy. I'm Pama. You heard no lawyer kafa ko ba ni neba onye man kefa na aje chepta ina echefa afunu rom nwanya na umu mbo obu na onu eko no obia just am lawyer.
Are you mad? Will you get out of my way?
You are stupid. You're not going anywhere. You said man.
Mother.
Only mother need to charge and bill. One more wrong.
Mother, will you get out of my way? I will push you. Will you get out of my way? Will you get out of my way?
My mother that you push. You're very hopeless.
Do you know this little rat?
Who is the little rat?
With my mother blocking my way.
Maria, must you always show yourself? Respect yourself for once. Eh? Oh, give me. Lawyer, because
no, what kind of people?
Madam, we see in court.
Who's court?
Where is she? Where is that your stupid daughter? Where is she? Ezine, come out! Call that your stupid daughter to come out. Hey, don't shout at me. I said, where is Ezine? Give me where.
Where is Ezine?
Answer now. Where is Ezine?
I don't want to use force on you. Tell Ezine to come out and tell me what Lotana did to her that made her beat her up like that.
Because Rebecca,
you see,
this is a case of 2 fighting pens without ink.
Let's call her out. Call her out.
No, make someone. Look at this girl.
Ezine, come out. Come and fight.
Come here, let's dig it out.
If you're not afraid, come out.
You're very stupid. Come here now. Come now.
Hey, come here. Come here. Let me go. Let me go. I can see. Here, my face. I get it around. What I get it around. Oh, I see. I get it around. What?
the last meeting we had with you people, I told Ini Edo on the way that I will disappoint anybody who calls me for anything concerning this, you people again. Huh? I have made up my decision, and that decision is final.
Please don't do that. This is when I need you.
I am sorry to disappoint you this time that you need me most. I'm sorry, I'm leaving.
Lawrence, please sit down.
Huh?
Sit down.
Now you said I should sit down.
Sit down, Lawrence.
Odima, I will sit down, but I have made my point clear. I am not party to any of your meetings here now.
It's okay. Lawrence has spoken, and I concur. What he said is the truth. It is high time you should be left out of your matters. So, if you know the way you will sort yourself out, go ahead and do it in your own way. And leave us alone out of your endless matters.
Every time
I'll go.
I'll go.
I solicit on their behalf. Please.
My elders, as it stands now, I'm free to go.
Sir, you are not free to go. You cannot go anywhere. You are an evil woman.
Jehovah!
Oh yes! Now let me tell you, and I will tell it to your face. You are the cause of all the problems in this family.
Jehovah!
How about Jehovah? You are an evil woman. We married you and not the other way around.
Jehovah. Yeah? Lawrence, did you just call me an evil woman?
Queen, you are an evil woman.
Don't you ever point your finger at me again. You want Yara? Eh? If you do that again, I will do to you what an evil woman will do.
What do you think, man? You cannot do me anything.
Shut up.
Get it.
You heard him when he called me an evil woman. Eh? I'm a Meruna. Chineke Bokwanoku. Kamal Mobokuru. Yureke. Get it. Ogwazu. Ilacham gave me for woman. Kamal Gamo.
Because please calm down.
Shut up. I'm not going to want to calm down. You're my mother, Katina. I'm a queen. Instead of people to tell this not man enough to correct his stupid statement. Would I ever ask him shut up and sit down? Can I ask him calm down? Huh? In short, this meeting is over. One time, Uno.
Nonsense.
Rebecca.
Evil.
Rebecca.
Two women in one house, or the was somehow. Mobile argument, or blue fight. Aye, Osuga, Onye, aye, Okotobaga, Giddy name. Two women in one house, or the was somehow. Mobile argument, or blue fight.
I'm not kidding you. What is it?
Adobe.
Mama, what is it? Did anyone fight you? Did they insult you? Talk to me. Mama, what is it? Talk to us now. Mama, what is it?
Prince, you called me, an evil woman.
He called you an evil woman. Why?
As in, Mama, I don't understand. Lawrence called you an evil woman. As in, what did you do? What did you do?
I did nothing to him. I did not even say anything to him. And he called me an evil woman.
Mama.
Uncle Lawrence, he will know that I'm an innocent woman.
Mama, don't worry. Let us go and find out why he called you an evil woman.
Just relax, eh?
Just wait.
Mama, we are coming back.
We are coming back.
Just relax. Do you need anything? Okay, we are coming.
Hey, Lawrence, Chineke akpọdala Lawrence ọkụ. Kamala ọmọgbọdụ ne. Kamala ọmọgbọdụ o. Okay. Maybe that evil woman. Okay. I better run.
Don't worry. She is not capable of doing anything. She has no claim over that land. She can't take it over. He has no right. Don't worry.
I'm not afraid of her, but I don't want you people to just relax because I don't want her to take over that land.
Don't worry.
It belongs to both of us.
Don't worry.
That's my own.
Don't worry. The king's men. The king's men will say what is it? What is it?
And we're on our way to your house. Thank you, you're here. What is it? Oga, did you call our mother evil woman?
Hey, Dikeh, get down. Don't even say anything. We are not talking to you. Just stay out of this case. Hold it.
Hey, I called your mother a witch because she is one. She is an evil woman. Yes.
So you even have the guts to say it on my presence. Are you not afraid?
Hey!
This is not ordinary.
Yes, it is not ordinary. But a drastic step has to be taken to put a full stop to it.
So, Lawrence is now in the hospital. Hi.
What happens to you?
I don't know why you are here. I was talking to Maria, Ezime's mother. All of a sudden, Adobe and her sister Lutina just bounced on me. They started beating me. Now go. They can't miss. What have I done? Because I called their mother an evil woman. Oh wow!
Papa, you mean Adobe and Lutana laid their filthy hands on you?
They did not lay their hands on me. They nearly killed me. Only God saved me. I'm not even male.
Carol, has Papa eaten?
Yes, I managed to eat so much. And the doctor said we have to buy some vitamins. So we have to get new drugs. Just like that.
Okay, Mama. Sorry. Carol, please just let me see the doctor. No.
It's alright. I'll be okay.
Lock down! Come on, you think we are here to play? Come on, from top. I will do it to myself.
Oh yeah! Jump! Jump!
Jump! Fast! Come on, jump! Come on!
Go down, my friend. I will kill you here.
You have a mother. Get up! Do it for me first. I'll give it to you. Get up! Front door! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Bago! No, where are you going? Mama, leave them! Mama!
I am not. Everything is not satisfied. It's enough now. You can't kill her, mommy. You want to kill her? No, you need to stop this thing. I can't take it anymore.
Mama.
Yes?
These men you see right there, they are not on illegal duty. I don't care about any outcome. I don't care.
Whether they are illegal or not illegal, I care about the outcome.
Mama, they are not my sisters. Continue. Deal with them. In fact, after you give me their number for subsequent...
I don't want again. I don't want anybody to die in front of my house.
Nobody is dying.
I think you should stop this thing.
Mama, have you forgotten what they did to us?
Kusifa is one and I'm going to Kusifa. I will join in that big pillow if you don't stop it now.
Mama, go. I will hold my mom.
Yes. Nah. From this upu mango to the other upu mango.
Okay, the other one there.
Yes, like this.
Alright, madam. Well, I've seen the land. It's a nice one. The thing is that I will get back to you probably after I've seen my lawyer.
Okay, but you have to be fast about it. Delay is dangerous.
Okay. You will. Okay. Like I said.
Was the signpost not here the first day you came to the land?
Not at all, barrister. The thing is that I don't get it. Who mounted this signpost here? Sorry, hold on a minute. Let me put the call through here. I can't believe this. Yeah, hello? Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, actually, we're in the land now, me and my barrister. But the thing is that we saw a signpost that is being mounted here. Were you the one that mounted it? Okay. You know what, and don't worry, I'll call you back. I said I will call you back.
What did she say?
The barrister, believe me, this land is not a genuine land. Even the woman in question is so amazed on the phone. She has no idea about the signs. I suspect a foul play, alright? I think we should leave this place, okay? Let's go.
Small signpost. Oh, it is him.
It is you. Yes. Is it your land? Eh? Just go and remove that signpost.
Please. That land belongs to both of us. It's not just your land.
Belongs to you? See. That land belongs to me and nobody else.
Rebecca, you will never change. Eh? We have come too far not to stop this fight. This is the same land that took our husband's life. And we are here fighting over it. That land had been there before both of us were born. And it will be there when we die. We can't even take it to our grave. So, Biko, I was not Biko,
Hey, excuse me. I still remember the question I asked.
Yes. You asked me who puts the signpost on the land.
Yes.
And I said it is me.
Good.
Good.
Just go and remove it. Go and remove it. But that does not mean I cannot fight. Just go and remove it.
Yet you want to fight. Are you not even ashamed of yourself, Wanya?
Come on, you don't get preaching him someone. You want yara.
You want ya pari.
Sorry, preach someone. Maka wana church.
You babe church.
You want yara.
You want ya pari.
Ukurama. Ongwana gama lulio. Ibu bua. Anya perikwe. I got wish ya bua. Bring that car. I got wish. Hello,
Rebecca. You should tell her this slippers.
And then which is your slippers.
You want your
come on, my boy.
What is the matter?
Matthias brought this man and this lady for me a few minutes ago. And when they came, they said something, and I feel there is need for you to be present. Yes. Mr. Man, I told you that somebody must be part of this meeting. This is the man. You can now repeat yourself.
Thank you very much. Like I said earlier, we are from Nigerian multinational telecommunication company.
Which network is that?
Zico Communication Limited.
Zico. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Sir, we are in charge of masts, and a particular land has been chosen to mount our mast in this town. So after all necessary inquiries, we are directed from our team, and that is why
which land is that?
Boniface land.
Madam, please, could you tell us your name, the name of your husband, and where you are from?
Thank you. My name is Mrs. Rebecca Uzioko. My husband, Boniface Uzioko. I'm from Umbiso in Imo State. Thank you.
Yes. Right, please, madam, could you also tell us your name?
You're welcome.
The name of your husband and also where you're from.
My name is Maria Asper Ekenemwabe. I am Mrs. Maria Bombom Ozioko. Hey, sorry. Bombom, that's the nickname I used to call my husband. His name is Boniface. Maria Boniface Ozioko. I'm from that big town in the Gola Kuponano called Oka in Anambra State. This woman had sold. How would she have felt now?
Is that why you're crying?
I'm not crying. They're just tears of joy.
Mama, it's okay. Don't feel bad. Mama, thank God. She couldn't sell it. Okay? I just feel for Papa. If he was alive, what about Obina? Obina would have been able to buy loads and loads of lands. Obina would have... Mama, please. I beg you, don't cry.
I'm not crying.
You are.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Mama, don't worry. Until this money is given to us, then I will show you that all fingers are not equal.
You know, I've been thinking of how to pay her back, but I've not been able to come up with anything yet.
Something will happen to you soon.
Then I'll be doing show.
Oh, Nemo.
I'll be doing show.
Nemo.
And the world will be calling me Mommy.
Mommy.
Because I know that Maria is a down. She wouldn't know what to do with her brand. I'm
Take. You can monitor him with this mirror. At your own convenient time, if you wish to kill him. Take. Always wear it on your waist. His breeze will not affect or harm you. And you will never see him in your dreams again. He will never come close to you again. You can go.
Jesus!
Hey!
Issue!
Hey! Please forgive us.
I'm not shopping. You!
Mama, isn't it? I was coming to your house.
What happened to the land again?
That same land has been causing problems in our family. Has been chosen to mount a network communication mast, and it's going to fetch a lot of money.
My name is Ezokoro. Tell me, what actually do you want? And it will be done.
Ezokoro, we need to have the money alone with our mother. So please get rid of everybody that is involved.
Who and who are involved? All right. I'm coming. Take. Rub it in your palm. Touch whatsoever that are involved. That person will sleep and will never wake up.
Ezokoro. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. Don't worry, when the money is paid, we'll get you a car. A very big motor.
Oji moto, Emogo.
My palm on fire.
Jesus.
If I had met you and touched you, by tomorrow, you people would have been history.
Yeah! for mercy.
Please forgive us. Forgive us.
I have always known that both of you are evil. But to the extent of taking my little brother's life. You killed Obinna.
Jesus Christ!
What is this? What is this? What is this? You will not talk.
Rebecca. Sir? Like I told you earlier, the elders have resolved to banish you from this community. You and your children.
My husband, why?
Don't call that name again. I've told you. Woman, go and face the consequences of your children's action. Agunyakonam, count me out. In accordance with the tradition of Ibagokwe community.
Whatever is my portion, give it to her. Give it to them. No, they deserve it, no. Give it to them.
Mommy, please don't go. Mama, no, come and take your shit. Don't go, Mommy.
Somehow, more like you meant it.